Low quality, low resolution and blurry photos is the problem. I'm going to show you the way how to enhance photos for free on your mobile. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're well. Spoiler alert for new viewers, new to the channel, make sure to consider subscribe to appreciate my efforts. Thanks for all our viewers and the subscribers. This app called Remini, I'm gonna compare with other three ones as well. This is the initial reviews, full reviews and previous reviews available on my channel. Only one new contender is here and I'm gonna share with you as well. So after selecting the photo and processing this type of interface pair, we have the background blurs available, different type of available, low, medium and the high one. I'm recommending you to go with the disabled option if you have the portrait and already depth in the background. And now we have the colors. All colors looks professional, but again this is going to be personal preference. In my opinion, I'm going to turn off it. And the last option is the face retouch. This is again the personal choice and the preference, and the Remini provide you one of the best retouch as well. Now you can see as the details restored by the Remini AI is brilliant, mind-blowing. Later in this video I will compare with other apps as well. The full review is available on my channel and other features as well of the Remini app. Let's move on to the second app called Pixelup. This app is also really useful when it comes to the AI photo enhancer. Click on photo and we have automatically processing by the AI of the Pixelup app, and then this type of interface appear. We have the before and after comparison as well. You can select the face or the whole picture by clicking on the drop down arrow. We have the simply download button available on the left top side. One ad for the processing and one ad for the saving show you. Third app called Linpo. This is a new contender this year. I reviewed a lot of photo enhancers and video enhancers. This year this is the new entry. Before it, I don't review it on my channel or compare with other photo enhancer apps. I did a lot of comparisons between video enhancers and photo enhancers and also initial reviews and the full reviews. Make sure to check it out, available on my channel and playlists also available. After open app, we have this type of interface, super clean. We have to click on the enhance. After that, we have to select the photo. First time required the permissions. After providing permissions, this will show you one ad for the processing for one photo, and you have 5 photos per day. After processing, you can see here the details recovered by this app is also really brilliant. You can try it and you will really amaze. In my opinion, the quality is super mind-blowing. It comes to the personal preference as well. Some photo enhancers replace with the similar faces, eyes or eyelashes faces with the help of AI, and some remains the natural. You can let me know in the comment section which one did one of the best and stay natural. Fourth app called the PicMa. After open the app, we have this type of interface. Scroll up and select the enhance feature and select photo. After that, processing, and this app also show you the ad for the processing. You can see the details recovered by the PicMa is also brilliant. This comes to the personal preference, what type of details you like, natural or replaced by the similar faces with the help of AI of the different apps. So this is the quick initial comparison between one of the best photo enhancer apps, and these are top picks in my opinion, and one of the best will provide you the results. So let's move on the side-by-side comparison. You can select according to your preference and you may let me know in the comment section which one did one of the best. Make sure to check out my other content as well. You will really amazed by my content. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in next video.